Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use WAN 2.1 with the Control LoRA using depth maps. This is going to be a fun and practical tutorial, especially if you have worked with AnimateDiff before. Remember those dance videos I made using video to video control net and IP adapter techniques? We used control net to keep motion smooth and then applied style transfers with IP adapter to create those cool AI demos. Well, today we are taking things further with WAN 2.1 and depth maps. So instead of the usual control net models, we are using something similar to instruct pix to pix, where we pass a depth map image through a control LoRA. This LoRA focuses on motion control, not style or character, meaning it keeps movement from your reference video while letting you change everything else like outfit, backgrounds, etc. For example, here is a depth map from a reference video, black and white image showing depth, and here is the final output. Same motion but with a completely different style. The best part? No flickering or color shifts like in AnimateDiff, and the motion is much smoother. You can grab this workflow from ComfyUI I'll leave the links in the description. It includes two key files, the Control LoRA Safe Tensors file and a LoRa JSON configuration file. Once you load this into ComfyUI, the most important part is setting up the Control LoRA for depth. This acts like a motion guide for your video. Now, let's break down how this works in ComfyUI. First, we are not using an image to video model. Instead, we are using WAN 2.1 text to video model, the 1.3b parameter version. This runs fast even on mid-range GPUs and under 6 GB VRAM. So here is the key setup. We take our reference video and run it through depth anything v2 to create a depth map, that black and white motion guide. Next, this depth map gets fed into the control LoRA, which tells WAN 2.1 like, hey, follow these movements exactly. So how to do the setup? So for that, first we take our reference video and run it through depth anything v2 to create a depth map, that black and white motion guide. This depth map gets fed into the control LoRA, which tells WAN 2.1 like, hey, follow these movements exactly. Next is, this workflow uses two custom samplers. First is, it adds noise and starts shaping the video like a rough sketch, and then second is, refines details using the same model and prompts. Think of it like drawing. First you outline something and then you color and shade on it. Moving on, do you want consistent outfits or backgrounds? So then add a image reference like photo of a spider woman or any other example, whatever you want. The workflow uses Florence 2 to auto generate text prompts from that image. While it won't copy the exact pose, it will match the style, backgrounds, outfits, etc. So my test took under 5 minutes for a 3-second clip RTX 4070. The result is a spider with the same moves as the reference but in a totally new outfit and settings. No flickering, just smooth stylized video. Now Let's take this further and improve the video quality, because who doesn't want sharper, more detailed results? So here is how we do it. After generating the initial video, I added an upscaling step and a slight blur before passing it to a tile Control LoRA. This is like giving the AI a second chance to polish the details, especially facial features, textures, and small movements. So why does this work? The first pass, depth map plus control LoRA, nails the motion. And the second pass, upscale plus style LoRA, enhances resolution and cleans up artifacts. So here you'll notice side by side comparisons show the same smooth motions, but the upscaled version has crisper edges and richer details, like upgrading from HD to 4K. For those who want even more control, there is segmentation masks. Just like in AnimateDiff V2V, you can use segment anything to isolate objects. The best part of this workflow is no fancy hardware needed. The 1.3B model delivers great results fast, but if you crave Hollywood tier detail, swap in the 14B parameter model. Just expect longer render times. So here is another example. I uploaded a video of an AI influencer and wanted the same motion applied to a new style, specifically a grey background with the women wearing pink clothes. After generating the result, we achieved the same motion as the original with the desired style, a grey background and a woman in a pink dress. So enhancing the output further improved the details and sharpness. Another thing you can do with this workflow is, for instance, I uploaded a video of a dragon and wanted to change its style. So I provided an image of a dragon in a different artistic style. Florence 2 then generated a prompt, and as you can see in the result, it successfully transformed the video style to match the reference image. So that's all for today's video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.